Yeah, brother. Edosa, how you doing? I beg what? No, I don't know whether if you assist me, but I need like small change. I beg any amount. Like thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, thanks. Edos, wait. No, use my money point. Wait. I beg you, God, don't tell anybody. You promise me. You say? You know if you promise me that one? Edos, I better send that again. He don't send them. Thank you so much. Thanks. I beg. Our secret. Thanks. Ah, Kamar.
Good afternoon.
How far?
Bros, waiting hot now. A doctor just call me say you call am say me borrow you money. Waiting too hot for you.
Now, just I tell you.
Send me your account make I send you something abeg.
I'll call you back. Cynthia, long time. This one you call me today.
Edosa call me now. So I don't understand. He say you dey very depressed like this, so na key you wan kill yourself.
Just I call you say I did depression too.
Tell me where you dey ma go collect the rope, sir.
Cynthia, thanks. I will call you back.
Edosa tell me say you wan come visit sef. Wetin happen?
Just I call you too.
Say him give you money ba? Gosh, me sef I no get money o.
Alright, I will call you back.
Oh, okay, so no problem now.
Now Edusa just come in and say he say you need money. Say you don't money.
Now just 10,000 you give me, oh.
Sorry.
Edusa, you don't kill me. Michael.
No. Edusa come you. Tell me say you dey depressed like this. Say you wan even commit suicide. I don't understand you.
Hey, Edusa call you too. Michael, you when the youth chairman.
I say to make I call you. Say you dey in need of money. To me again. Serious na my last card now. I carry am just go buy charcoal.
No. Michael, I'm okay. Na lie. I'm okay. Edusa. I better send me an account. I won't send you the money. No. Edusa, you say? Make I hold on till evening. They get plenty people where you want to see you help me. Edusa, send me your account now. Edusa, now play they play again. I no need that. Send me your account. What call? You just call my phone.